my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. This is the next video, how to build a string inspector. Step 1. We need to define variable FFC sentence. FreeCodeCamp is a greater place to learn web development. Step 2. Console log. There are some examples of the includes method. Step 3. Define variable has FreeCodeCamp. Then use includes method on the variable FFC sentence. As a parameter, pass FreeCodeCamp. If substring FreeCodeCamp present in FFC sentence, it will return true, otherwise false. Step 4. Console log string. FFC sentence includes FreeCodeCamp returns has FreeCodeCamp because the word FreeCodeCamp is in the sentence. Step 5. Here we are trying to find the substring JavaScript that doesn't present in the sentence. The variable has JavaScript will return false. Then console log sentence. FFC sentence includes JavaScript returns has JavaScript because the word JavaScript is not in the sentence. Step 6. Here we are checking if includes method is case sensitive or not. Define variable has lowercase FFC and then console log the result in provided sentence. You're supposed to see false in the console. Step 7. It is time to study slice method. Define variable message. Welcome to FreeCodeCamp. Console log sentence. Here is some examples of the slice method. Step 8. Slice method in JavaScript accepts two parameters. First, it is start, and the second one, it is an end. It is supposed to be index values. In the example picture, we have hello world sentence and we slice it from index 0 to index 5. Under the 5 index, it is an empty space between two words. The method will return the substring with indexes 0 and 4. 5 is not included. Define variable platform and assign it to the result of slicing message string with indexes 11 and 23. Step 9. Console log sentence. The word platform is sliced from the message. Step 10. We are practicing to slice from the beginning of the string. Create variable greeting word and slice message from the 0 index to 7. Then console log the sentence. The first word is the greeting word. Step 11. Here we are slicing from the end of the string. To do this, we just can use the minus. In the example, we just slice with -3 and the method returns us 3 characters from the end of the string. Define variable end punctuation and slice message sentence with -1. Then console log the sentence. The ending punctuation mark is a end punctuation. Step 12. Console log the provided sentence. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.